Whether you're looking to build a website for a small business, a blog, or just about anything else, shared hosting with Bluehost is the perfect way to get started. But what exactly is shared hosting? Well, think of it as tenants sharing an apartment building. Except here, it's websites sharing the same server. You all get access to the same great features, like secure and automatic WordPress installation, plus tons of available tools and services to help you easily create the website you want. Choose the right plan for you, from basic for a single website up to pro with its high-performance servers for when you're ready to expand. Kind of like moving up to the penthouse. It's time to share your passions with the world, and it's time you got started with shared hosting.